Okay, so the few things that I'm having problems with, I'm gonna show you right now. So Retopoflow, here I have it. Checking for update to new version, and when I finish the update and restart Blender, I don't see the updated version. It still says that it's 2.0.0. So let me show you. I'm supposed to shut down Blender now. Okay, so now you can see that Retopoflow is still 2.00 version. Okay, check the update again. I still have update now to 2.001. Okay, maybe that's actually not the issue. Maybe there is no 0.1 here. But you see, again, I have restart Blender to complete update. So this time I will save user preferences. Let me see, refresh one more time. Okay, so check this out. And again, user preferences, Retopoflow. Still check for update. Yeah, I still have this one to update. Okay, that's not the biggest issue. The biggest issue I have is 2.0 doesn't work. Let me show you. I'm going to import my OBJ file that was sculpted in ZBrush. (11 MB). That's not supposed to be huge. Again, let's, I don't know. Okay, so you see it all works. When I just this one, read topology, and I have some update now. Ignore update. You see, now I can update it again. Let's update again. And warnings. Source poly count is high. Retopoflow may load slowly, and source B box is large. Retopoflow may not. Okay, so let's scale it down, and this one will disappear. Next problem is when I go to Retopoflow 2.0, nothing works. Let me show you. Okay, I have contours, poly stripes, polypattern, relax, tweak, loads, patches. I didn't even try those because generally doesn't work. Contours, click and drag, nothing happens. Click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, nothing happens. Okay, exit. Let me try with sourcing the whatever. Okay, contours, click, drag, nothing, doesn't happen. Okay, so to show you that it actually is working with 1.3 version, contours, you see, it does work, but 2.0 doesn't work for me. So that was the main issue that I had. So I basically didn't even try 2.0 because of this annoying problems that I have. So any fixes, I will be happy to see them.